Now we create our table. I just write here T for table and press create. I'll write this description. We need a delivery class. It's an application table. And don't forget, it will be a table for users, which they will need to enter data in it. So maintenance allowed with restrictions is not for our use. We select display maintenance allowed. And let's go to our fields. Now, there's a very important field that we need to define before adding other fields, which is the client field, mandt, which has the data element with the same name. It's a predefined system client data element, which you had to write in every table, and it has to be key, and you can select the initial value for it, which is already defined in the system. Now we define our key field, which is the FI document number, VELNR, which has the data element of VELNR D. You see, it's character, 10 length, and account document number. It's key, and let's select initial. And now we put our structure in this table. Include CFI as payment. Now we save our table, local object, and let's try to activate it. It says maintain and save the technical fields for the FIT payment. Here you see technical settings. Click here, and it will ask us for a data class. It will be a master data, transparent table. Size category is generally up to you. I'll select 0 for this one. Actually, it asks you how many data this table will store, so I'll choose its size category, but it's a predefined area for this table, so it doesn't mean you can't exceed that number. It will grow when the data are entered automatically. So we press save. Let's go back and now activate our table. And now our table is activated. Let's go back and press display. You will see all the fields in our database table. Now we press change. Now let's say users want that this table will be in item level, which has again a standard data element. You see line item. That's great. And it's a key field. And they just changed their minds because after trying this, they couldn't enter every value line by line. So they just want you to take it back because they are users. They always do that. Before you start using this table, you can always alter the table. After you put it into production, I don't recommend that you do this, but if you need to do something like that with a table, that field that has data in it. When you delete it, when you try to activate, you see errors occur during activation. Now you can ask that we have no data in this table, but I just entered some data for the purpose of this lecture. Let's see our activation log. It says structure change at field level. Convert table. This table needs to be converted to get activated. So let's go to utilities, database object, database utility, activate and adjust the table. So now our table is active with one key in it.